Noun.
A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, or emotion. In short, it is a naming word. Common nouns are the general names of people, places, or things of the same
Kind.
They do not refer to particular people, places, or things. They usually begin with a small letter. School, train, gardener, toy box, picture. Proper nouns are the names of particular people, places, or things.
They
Always begin with a capital letter. Rahim, Mount Abu, Thursday, Pepsi. Collective noun. Collective nouns are the names of groups of people, animals, or things. A team of cricket players. A flock of sheep. A bouquet of flowers. Abstract noun. Nouns that name ideas, qualities, and feelings are called abstract nouns. Friendship, honesty, happiness. Abstract nouns are often formed from adjectives. The brave army men fought in the battle. Adjective. The army men fought with bravery in the battle.
Noun.
In the second sentence, we change the adjective brave into the abstract. Noun, bravery. Abstract nouns can also be formed from verbs. Ramallah knows German very well. Ramallah's knowledge of German helped us while getting around.
In Austria.
In the second sentence, we change the verb know into the abstract noun, knowledge. Possessive forms of nouns. Possessive forms of nouns show belonging or ownership. We put an apostrophe after a noun to make its possessive form. To singular nouns, add an apostrophe and s. The dog's food, my brother's football. To plural nouns that end in s, add an apostrophe only. The dog's food, my brother's football. To plural nouns that do not end in s, add an apostrophe and s. The men's shirts, the children's toys. When something belongs to more than one person and we mention the names of all of them, add an apostrophe to the last noun. Zahid, Junaid, and Sahil's bats. Material noun. Names a material or substance from which things are made. Examples: gold, water, milk, iron, sugar, wood.